So the task at hand for Devstral Small and Qwen3.5 35 billion model is to build a click the moving target game, a browser game developed entirely in vanilla HTML, CSS and JavaScript with no external libraries. We want to try and ensure fast load times and easy deployment anyway. So let's begin. The first of the models we will test is Devstral-Small-2-2512. So I've decided to test out the AI models Devstral Small and Qwen3.5 35 billion model on a browser-based clicker game. So we've got the specifications. The core gameplay includes a display or rectangular area of 400 pixels by 300 pixels with a colored circle target inside, and the target should move to random positions automatically at different intervals of between 800 milliseconds and 2000 milliseconds. So we'll be able to configure this via a slider. So when the user clicks the target, the score should increase by 1. The target will automatically move to a new position, a new random position. The target should also change color, so that will give some visual feedback. For the UI elements, we would have a score display. So this should show the current score. This should be prominently at the top. The game area, we would have a bordered container where the target moves. This is relative to the position. A target circle, so we can include that as 50 pixels by 50 pixels in circular form. So this will be clickable. The speed dialer, we will include a speed dialer, and the range of that input would be from 1 to 10, so the user can adjust automatic movement of the speed. So we also have the low setting, so the slower the movement, the longer the delay, and the higher the setting, that should equate to faster movement, which would be shorter delays. We will also include a restart button, so this would reset the score back to 0 and we could start the gameplay. The technical spec, the stack would be it would be a single HTML file, so this should be all CSS. Would include tags and some JavaScript tags as well. Crucially, there should be no external dependencies or libraries. So this is a one-page HTML file. Responsive design that works on desktop browsers. Hopefully it should work on mobile devices as well. I'm hoping for a clean commented code following the best practices. So all elements should be properly positioned and contained within the game area. We'll see that between the two models. So the code structure, I'm expecting JavaScript, obviously, with clear variable declarations, with descriptive names, and functions organized by purpose. For example, so you've got the move target, you have the handle click, and a reset game. We also will have, as part of the JavaScript, event listeners. So these are properly attached to DOM elements, and have timer management to prevent duplicate intervals on restart. That's important. For the styling requirements, hopefully the models will produce modern, clean design with good color contrast. Hopefully the gameplay should have smooth transition for the target movers and the hover effects, and the buttons should be professional styling, hopefully with hover states. There should also be consistent spacing and alignment throughout the interface, and the game area should have visual borders to define boundary clearly. The gameplay is certainly testing my reflexes and precision. The core mechanics of the game is that the circle moves around instantly after I click. The score counter updates automatically, which I see. The game is intuitive, as you can see. So after each successful click, it increments the score and immediately relocates the target, which I can see. The automation and speed, it is moving automatically without clicks, and I can adjust the slider to show the speed change. But it's not necessarily just about clicking. The target moves autonomously. The next model we will test is the Qwen3.5 35 billion model. At random intervals. Plus, I've included a dynamic speed control slider, allowing players to customize the game pace from relaxed to intense. The UI and design of the game. There is a restart button. The color does change. It is relatively responsive. I can resize it for mobile use. So the interface is built with, as we mentioned earlier, clean CSS. So we've got a modern look. It's got a smooth transition. It has hover effects and fully functional restart system to reset the progress instantly.